In this video, I will show you how to delete retweet from Twitter. There are two types of retweet. One is simple retweet, which means share in your profile, and another one is retweet with comments. After you make any retweet, you can undo and delete it from both web and Android version. If you don't want to retweet, you cannot delete share retweet, but you can undo share retweet and delete retweet with comments. Follow the following steps below to undo and delete retweet. First step is open the Twitter application in your device. Now click on the profile icon just left to home in the top left on your screen. After you see a list of options, now click on the profile with the main icon. You can see tweet and retweet you have made. Now to undo retweet, scroll down and choose retweet you want to undo. Click on the green color two square arrows on retweet. Now you will see undo retweet bottom down on your screen. Click on the undo retweet.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.